Right, hello, welcome back to another tutorial. So today, as promised, I will be teaching us how to import files, read file using pandas into our data frame. So the first thing you need to do is to ensure that your file which you are intending to import is in the same folder where you have your pandas project. For example, if I go to my desktop, this is what I'm working with, pandas test. If I should open this file, this folder, you see that I have files, liver disease data, I have score, I have Spotify student score. So whatever you want to read into your CSV, into your pandas, it should be in the same folder that you're working. So for today, I want to teach us how to, first of all, how to read file using pandas with CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values, and also how to read data using Excel. So without further ado, let's begin our project. So I'll be using this file. Okay, I'm opening it. Just wait, it's loading. All right, so the first thing you need to do after you have imported your file to the folder you're working with, the first thing you need to do, as usual, don't always forget that, is to import your pandas. You say import pandas as PD. Okay, so you go ahead and run it. Okay, import pandas, okay, as PD. Okay, it's running, it's executing. All right, so we now successfully imported our pandas library. Now the first one we are going to do, we are going to read file, CSV file. Now if you look here, I have this CSV file with the name score, and I have students underscore score as my Excel file. So the first thing you need to do is to say, okay, DF is a short form for data frame. You can name it whatever thing you want to do, but I prefer using DF. It's more easier for me to work with. Now equals to you PD dot, always use read underscore CSV, open bracket, and do your column. Now you need to specify the path or the folder which you are about reading. Now for me, it's a file and the name of the file is score, so the capitalization you need to be the same as the one you have in your file. Now I say score, always end with your file extension, which is csv.csv. that is the name of my file. Now if I go ahead and read this df.head, I want to see the first 5 rows of my data. Okay, if I should read this, now you now see we now have this. Now let's go ahead and check the shape. Let's look at the columns and the rows. Say df.shape. Now let's see. Okay, we have 11 columns, 11 rows and 6 columns. Now let's look at the end part of this data set. Now we say df.tail. all right, okay, we execute. So .tail, sorry, open. All right, so if you look at it, we have 0 1 2 3 4, and if you look at it, we have 6 7 8 9 10. Now this is 5 rows and this is another 6 rows, all together giving us 11 columns, 11 rows rather, and 6 columns. So let's also look at how to read an Excel file. Now if you look at my folder here, I have student underscore score. It's an Excel file. How to read Excel file? You also say df, let's say df2 equals to, you say pd panda frame dot read, okay, Excel. Now open and close bracket. Now the name of the file is student underscore score dot, the file extension for Excel is XLSX. Don't forget that. If I go ahead and read this file, I say df2.head, I'm going to have this. Just wait, it's loading. All right, so we have been able to successfully imported our file path from CSV, comma separated values, and also we are able to use Excel to import our data set. So this is how to import or to read file using CSV and also using Excel. Now you can also read file using JSON file. You can also read file using SQL. Now, but the one we work more often with is the CSV and Excel. So that is what we are going to be working with very often in the journey of this tutorial. One, the CSV file and the Excel file. So I hope you are finding value in this tutorial. Do well to like, comment, share, and also send your questions, contributions in the comment section, and I'll try my best as usual to ensure I respond to your chat. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial. Thank you.